Hello, friends. I'm very happy that you have joined this course. It's a very exciting course, and I'm very sure that you will gain a lot from this course. If you are interested in making a very exciting global career in the global trade and traveling abroad and selling your goods, you want to make a good life, very interesting life for yourself. The export business is for you, and this course will help you a lot in understanding everything,
that you need to learn.
especially focusing on the exports documentation and procedures.
I will share with you in this lecture that
What all you can expect from this course. So, what are the things?
I have covered in this course.
Starting with the question of getting export orders, dealing with the export inquiries, and signing the export contract, and making the initial documents. All these things I will cover, including your performa invoice and the so called LC documents or shipping documents.
That are required by the buyer.
So I'll be talking about that. I'll be also talking about
Transport documents
I'll be talking about the bank documents. I'll be talking about the regulatory documents
that are required to deal with the customs
in your own country or the border control, and what are the formalities and documents required for dealing with the shipping company.
or any other agencies that are.
Very important in this, for example, port authorities or the container yard management people. I will be covering all these aspects, but also I will cover in this course things like what are the different ways of receiving international payments, what are international commercial terms, and how they are important in understanding the complete export documentation and procedure. So all these things I'll be covering this course, as well as I will also give you the basic concept of the requirement and the significance of these formalities, why they are needed. If you are able to understand that concept, if you are able to understand the typical export framework, that what is the movement of the goods from one country to another country, what is the movement of the documents, who all are there as the middleman in this movement of documents and the goods, and also the movement of the payment from the buyer to the seller. These things, if you are able to understand the concept, then the entire,
Understanding of the export operations
especially focusing on the compliances, focusing on the regulations and the legal matters and the documentation matters, procedural matters. So, what all you have to do, you will be able to understand that why you are doing this, and that is very important. The basic concept understanding is more important than what I will tell you the steps, step 1, step 2, step 3. That is not that important. What is more important is that what is the logic behind it, what is the concept. So if you are able to understand the concept, you will understand that everything
that is required to be done.
for successful export shipment is based on certain logic, certain need, certain significance is there. My objective of this course is to tell you this concept, the linkages between the different things
That you should know.
in becoming a very successful exporter. All this knowledge is very important for you, because even if you are a marketer, even if you think that your job is to get business from international market or to deal with the buyers will talk about these things. They will try to gauge you that whether you know all these things or not, because these are the things,
That are covered in this course,
especially focusing on the documentation and procedural part.
that the buyer will look into you.
All those things I'll be covering in this course. Please continue with this course, watch the videos very carefully, give me feedback that what all I have not covered or anything you would like to be included. Do let me know on each and every lecture of this course. Thank you very much.